welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been the longest time that I've filmed a video in English. So many people have been asking me to upload Portuguese Brazilian content, and I have thought of like creating a new channel, but it just didn't feel right in my heart. So now I just decided to upload in both languages. I will try to make my schedule as fair as possible to both of my audiences. And if there is something that I filmed in Portuguese that you really want me to film in English, you can just leave a comment down below and ask me to film that. Today we're going to be filming an OMG video, or like a WTF or whatever you want to call it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I have visited Spain last week or like 2 weeks ago, and I went to Primark there and I found these amazing STILA eyeshadow dupe. And as you guys can tell, I am not wearing any eye makeup, any lip makeup right now. That is because today I'm gonna be creating an eye look using this liquid glitter on my eye. So this PS collection also has a few metal liquid eyeshadows, like this one for example. These are not pure glitter, but these are metal. I will also test them and swatch them for you in this video. So STILA has these glowing glitter liquid eyeshadows which cost $24, I think. I'm not sure, but it's around 24 or 25. So I paid €4 for each of these liquid eyeshadows. And I know that like not every girl wants to spend 20 bucks or 25 bucks on a liquid eyeshadow. So today we're gonna test these and see if they work and see if they're good. I also want to make sure that you know that I have never tried any of these STILA eyeshadows before. I know that they're very pigmented, really good from what I've seen on YouTube. So when I was at Primark, I did swatch them quickly on my arm to see how they looked, and from what like I've tested, I liked it, but I've never tested it on my eye. So the metal one we're only going to swatch on my arm, and the glitter one we're going to create a whole look on my eye. So starting off by the packaging, they do not look cheap, guys. Like, this is really good plastic. I really love the glittery detail, like this metallic foil detail on the lid. It looks as if it could be like a product from Maybelline or like, I don't know, a drugstore brand. From the packaging, I prefer this one a little bit more just because it's rose gold and I really love rose gold. It has 4.5 milliliters of products in each bottle. So now let's open the products and see what they smell like. I will swatch them on my arms and show you guys if I like the pigmentation. So I will start off with the glittery one, which is the one that we will be using on the eyes. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It has a lip gloss like applicator. I will swatch it quickly. So this is the swatch of the glittery eyeshadow. Now I will swatch the metal one. So as you guys can tell, both of them have a really great pigmentation for like €4. I mean, come on. It's a great price, guys. And I also want to say that when I went to Primark, this one was the last glittery one that was there. And as most of you guys know, there are so many brands that like to copy popular products, but sometimes the quality just isn't there. And I mean, like, why would you be spending so much money on a packaging and then releasing a bad product? So now I'm just waiting for them to dry down, and I will see if they dry completely. From what I remember from swatching them at Primark, they did dry down completely. Also, one thing that I noticed is that the applicator of the metal one is a little bit different. This one looks like Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick applicator, and then this one looks like a flat lip gloss applicator, I would say. So now both of them are completely dry. As you can see, they are not smudging. Like, I will rub with my finger against them, and my finger has nothing on it. So for the eye look, I will use the Naked Cherry palette today. I just like the colors, and I just feel like it would look really good with this color right here because it is kind of like the same. I will also try to use the brush that comes with it. I have never touched this palette before, guys, just saying. So I really like this palette because it's really pretty. So now I will use the color Fields and I will blend it into my crease. Now I will be using Bing and applying it a little bit underneath. So now I just blended both of these colors on my crease, and now I will use the Essence Camouflage Concealer. This is their Healthy Glow Concealer. It's waterproof and has a vitamin complex. It's really good. I really love this concealer. So of course you could use just the shadow to create the cut crease, you know? But I always like to have something brighter underneath when I do a cut crease. So I applied the concealer right here. As you can tell, I left this space right here just for me to be able to use a darker color afterwards to do the blending. Now we'll do the same thing on the other eye. And I will be using this Primark eyeshadow, and I really hope that it works. I really want it to work. I really want it to look really nice just because I'm really excited about this product. Like when I found it, I was like, oh my god, yes please. I love having cheaper versions of like good products. I even made my mom buy a few of these guys, and like my mom does not use this type of makeup. So now I will not use the applicator. I will apply it on a brush just because it just looks better, guys. Like it looks more professional to me. If it doesn't work, I will just use the applicator. So as you guys can see, it looks really good. I don't know if you like it, but I really love it. I mean, for €4, guys, like come on. First it was like, it's not like as red as in the bottle, but then I took a little bit more with the brush and applied it, and it looked just amazing. It looks really good. It looks as if I'm using like a really expensive product to me. I can feel that this is dry. It's completely dry now. Like I can touch it and stuff. It's not going to come off, as you can see, and I can just feel that it's dry, you know? Like the more I move my eye, it gets more comfortable. So now this eye is completely dry and this one is still drying, but now I'm going to use a darker color to blend the outer corner. I'm gonna use this Privacy, the darkest color. So now I'll use the smaller side to do my bottom lash line, I think. So we'll start using this pink color, and then I will use a little bit of this Privacy color on the outer corners. Creates this really beautiful like ombre effect. I know this is not a review about the palette. The one thing I'm really loving about this is that this has no fallout on my skin. It does have some like fallout on the palette itself, but not on my skin. So now for my winged liner, I'm going to use the Kiko Ultimate pen. I really love this. It's very like black and it just looks really good, and it's really easy to use. So now as you can tell, I did both of my winged liner, and I will apply some lipstick. This one is by Bruna Tavares. It's a Brazilian brand. She's a Brazilian YouTuber. I really love her lipsticks. So I just noticed that I did not apply lashes and mascara. So now let's do this quickly. I'm gonna use the Essence, the False Lashes Mascara. I will apply 2 coats on each eye. So now I apply mascara, and I will be using these false lashes by Love Beauty. These are also from Bruna Tavares. She collaborated with this brand and created these eyelashes. Oh, also guys, I forgot to mention, I'm in Switzerland. I am here because I'm visiting my dad. As you can tell, this is my old background, and yeah, I brought a few of my Brazilian products for me to film videos and to film reviews. So yeah, that is why I'm using a few Brazilian products today. Also, if you guys would like to know anything about like moving to another country or just what it's like, you know, because it's definitely not how you would think it is. I mean, when I moved, I just listened to my heart. I did not think of like anything that would come along So yeah, if you would like to know, you can leave your questions down below. So I will apply these lashes now and I will be right back. So now I applied my lashes and this is the finished look. I also didn't talk about the smell of the eyeshadow, guys. So let me smell it quickly. It smells like nothing. Look, this one smells like nothing. Let me smell the glittery one. This one also doesn't smell like anything. So I have to say that I'm really in love with this look. I did not expect this from this eyeshadow to look like this good, because for €4 it's a pretty great dupe, guys. I for sure will be using this on me like more often, and also on my clients. It looks really good, guys. It's really good quality. You know, like when you use a liquid product and you close your eyes and it gets all wrinkly. It also depends a lot on how your eye is shaped, but this one did not break. It looks really good. So as you can tell, this is the eyeshadow. It looks really great. It does not come off on my finger. It's dried down now and it just looks really amazing. So this is definitely a product that I would recommend to you guys because it just does the job. It's great, it's cheap, it's amazing, and I just really like it. I always wanted to try out the STILA ones, but in Brazil it's really difficult to find like higher end products for like a good price. It's always very expensive, like very expensive, double the price that you would pay at Sephora or somewhere else, because people travel and they bring it to Brazil and they just sell it for like more. I did also buy a few of them for my makeup store that I have in Brazil. I'm really in love, guys. Like, I love this eyeshadow look. So I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Also let me know down below what you think of it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your notifications. Also, don't be worried about my Portuguese videos because I will be uploading in both languages, and yeah. So we'll see you guys next time, and I love you guys. Bye. See ya.